The defense deal between Somalia and Turkiye signifies a significant milestone in their bilateral relations, as both nations work together to strengthen their security infrastructure. This strategic partnership aims to provide Somalia with military training, equipment, and expertise to bolster its capacity to combat terrorism, piracy, and other security threats. Turkiye's involvement in Somalia's defense sector is driven by its commitment to regional stability and its desire to expand its influence in the Horn of Africa. The deal encompasses various aspects, including joint military exercises, intelligence sharing, and capacity-building programs for Somali armed forces. This collaboration is expected to not only enhance Somalia's defense capabilities but also foster economic growth and development through increased trade and investment opportunities between the two countries. Overall, the defense deal between Somalia and Turkiye represents a crucial step towards ensuring a safer and more prosperous future for both nations and the region as a whole. Somalia and Turkey share a significant relationship, primarily based on political, economic, and humanitarian cooperation. Turkey has been a key supporter of Somalia in its journey towards stability and development. This relationship has been strengthened through various initiatives, including capacity building, infrastructure development, and educational support. Furthermore, Turkey has provided humanitarian aid to Somalia during times of crisis, such as famine and natural disasters. This mutual cooperation has fostered a strong bond between the two nations, with Turkey playing a vital role in Somalia's progress and growth.